Jai Sriman After Dasaratha Maharaju's dead body is kept in the oil bowl, all the wives of Dasaratha Maharaju, all the ladies in that Antahpuram started crying loudly, Bahun Udyamya Krupana. They are lifting their hands and crying like so loudly and moving to tears. They are all saying that, O Maharaja, Ramena Satatam Priyavadinam, the one who always makes us happy, the one who always used to keep us happy. Such Rama is not there with us now. Now you also left all of us and gone. O Maharaja, now we don't have Rama, now we don't have Raja. O Maharaja, you have died because Rama is gone away from you. You have died. O Raja, Rama is the one who is most beloved to you and to us also. O Maharaja, such Rama is sent away from us by Kaika, and you are killed by Kaika. Now you both left all of us to Kaika. Rama, you have gone away leaving us to Kaika. O Maharaja, you are died leaving us to Kaika. We cannot be with this Kaika anymore, O Maharaja. This Kaika can torture us to any extent, O Maharaja. We cannot live with this Kaika. Like that, all the Antahpura ladies are crying a lot. Everywhere in the entire kingdom, wherever you see, only tears, only tears. Wherever you hear, only ha, ha sounds like that. Everywhere it is so dense, dark. Everywhere people are crying, people are coming together as a groups and crying a lot, and Vigarhamana Bharatasya Mataram, crying, and on other hand scolding Kaika. Everybody doing like that in the entire kingdom. Some of the Maharajus, Dasaratha Maharajus friends and ministers started talking about, should we do his last rites? Then they immediately step back and say that no, he has 4 sons. If we hear from them that they do not want to do, then we can go ahead and do it. But they did not say like that. So let us try to get at least 1 son, that so that he can come and do last rites for Dasaratha Maharaj. Like that, all the ministers and some of the close friends of Dasaratha Maharaj started discussing. And that night, really, it was a very, very dreadful night, and it is long night. Everybody just kept awake and crying, and slowly the sun is rising. The daylight is coming up. Sun is rising. All the great ministers, they are all called on for an emergency meeting. All the rishis coming together. Maudgalya, Markandeya, Vamadeva, Kasyapa, Katyayana, Gautama, Jabali, all these great people came to Brahmarshi, Vasishtha Maharshi, and they all conducting an emergency meeting. They are all discussing each other. They are also expressing how hard it was the last night. just to get through that one last night. Everybody started feeling that it is like almost 100 years, just one night. Such hard it was to get through after Dasharatha Maharaj died. Like that, everybody expressed their concerns, and also they are all talking to each other, saying that while crying for son, saying Rama, 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 Dasharatha Maharaj died. Now we do not have king and we do not have Rama also. Bharata Shatrughna, they both are not here. They are in the country Kekaya Desam. So now this kingdom immediately needs one king, immediately. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.